How are you, my nursery kids? Are you getting bored at home? Let's learn something new with me. Myself, Kapadia, and I am going to introduce you about personal hygiene. It is necessary to keep your body parts clean. But how will you do it? Wait, I am going to show you. Say hi to all my lovely kids. She will help me to explain you about personal hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day. Clean your tongue with tongue cleaner. Take a bath every day with soap and water. Wash your hair twice a week with shampoo. Wear clean clothes. Clean your ears only with earbuds. Cut your nails once in a week. Wash your hands before and after eating food. Now, if you follow these rules, you will not fall sick. And we will revise this doing one rhyme.
I wash my face, wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. I brush my teeth, brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush them every day. I have a bath, have it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, have it every day. I wear clean clothes, clean clothes every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, clean clothes every day.
Time for the activity. We will arrange the body parts with its appropriate tools. Okay, let's start. Now see here, I am keeping all the flashcards over here and personal hygiene things here. See this: nails, eyes, teeth, nose, ears, hands and hair. Now you have to match with the appropriate thing. Like, what should I need to cut my nails? Toothbrush? No. Water? No. I need nail cutter. So I will keep this nail cutter with the flashcard of nail. Eyes. What should I need to clean my eyes? Only handkerchief? No. I need water to clean my eyes. Next is teeth. How should I clean my teeth? With the shampoo? No. I need toothbrush. So I will keep this toothbrush with the flashcard of teeth. Next one, nose. How should I clean my nose? With the help of earbuds? No. I need handkerchief to clean my nose. Next, ears. What should I need to clean my ears? Shampoo? No. So I will arrange earbud with the flashcard of ears. Next, hands. How should I clean my hands? With the help of, yes, hand wash. And how should I clean my hair? With the help of shampoo. So now, see this again. We need nail cutter to cut our nails. We need water to clean our eyes. We need toothbrush to clean our teeth. We need handkerchief to clean our nose. We need earbuds to clean our ears. We need hand wash to clean our hands. We need shampoo to clean our hair. Hope you enjoyed this activity. Now follow these simple routine habits to keep yourself clean. See you. Thank you so much.